This is a very busy entrance gate. If you live in this area, please exercise caution. Welcome to the Villages. Village of Shady Brook. I have seen alligators in the retention ponds in this area, so be careful. Don't walk your dog near a retention pond. That's my advice. This is a manned or staffed gate. Here they are building a designer home, looks to me. Precast walls. I'm gonna walk the golf cart path today. This is actually a walking trail when you see the two posts. This is considered a walking trail, not a golf cart path. I'll zoom in. This is the area of Norman Run now. You can see the precast walls on the trailer. They will lift those walls into place. They actually put the windows into those walls at the factory. And they ship them walls here to the job site. Feel free to share the videos with those you think might be interested. Soon I will be walking up to the Saluki Recreation Center. That's just ahead. This is a busy road. And I believe those homes that you see in front of you are the homes on Norman Run. You will see the Shady Brook Recreation Center in front of you as well. Off to the right is the Saluki Recreation Center, and off to the left, beyond those homes, is the Shady Brook Recreation Center. Very large retention ponds here in the south. Lots of them, and they're very large. They're still building homes. I hear nail guns. They are putting a roof on. I believe that is Norman Run right there. That is considered a construction zone. That's the Saluki Rec Center. They do have an outdoor gym at the Saluki Rec Center. Looks like they have ducks or geese on the retention pond swimming around. That's Saluki right there, friends. Well, I noticed they have a cement pad for the outdoor gym here at Saluki. Up north they have like a rubber pad for the machines to sit on. Or at least they have a rubber coating over the top of the cement. So that's a change from how they build their gyms in the north. Saluki there. I will walk all the way around this area. I most likely will split this video up into 2 or 3 parts. I'll zoom in on the new home construction. Walking up to the Saluki Recreation Center. They do have a Citizens First Bank ATM right there in the parking lot of Saluki. That is your Norman Run. Homes being built. Now we're coming up to the corner of Barr Blvd. And I will walk past that neighborhood. And Marsh Bend Trail, that's the corner we're on. Barr Blvd and Marsh Bend Trail. That is your Shady Brook Rec Center. It's interesting that they have two rec centers really virtually next to each other. That's an interesting concept. We'll zoom in and we can look at the construction now on Norman Run. This is Barr Boulevard ahead of us. And if I keep walking, I will walk right into the town square of Eastport. That's ahead of us. You can see the homes look like those are precast wall construction. I did bring you a video earlier that shows they do still build homes with cement block walls. You can get that if you choose to. Let me know in the comments below if cement block is better than the concrete precast walls or the concrete blocks. Which is better in your opinion? And let me know why you think it's better. So this is the corner of Harris Loop and Barr Boulevard. That's what that street is. Harris Loop and Barr Boulevard. I hear the nail guns. They're putting roofs on the homes. Here's another home, precast wall construction. There's 3 homes, precast walls, and then you have a wood framed home. Up ahead of you, you do see some more trailers they use to bring in the precast walls. The Villages does own the manufacturing plant that makes the precast walls. Villages is pretty much vertically integrated. I even think they own the plant that makes the windows. Let me know in the comments below if I'm wrong. They also own the plant that makes the roof trusses. This is the Norman Loop area, or Norman Run. You can see this was a very large area. A lot of homes being built in here. I did not see any homes for sale on the village's website in this area. This is still a construction zone. Those are designer homes there. Middleton is a couple of miles over the rooftops of those homes in that direction. That's where Middleton is. You can see these homes are in the process of being built. This neighborhood on this side is already built. This is Cheryl Cooper Trail. That was the other street that one of my subscribers mentioned. Norman Run and Cheryl Cooper Trail. And I have noticed that the villages has been more diligent about putting up no trespassing signs in these areas that they're building homes. Prior to that, I didn't see any no trespassing signs. But recently I've seen a lot of no trespassing signs. For instance, I don't see a no trespassing sign here though. But I've been to some other areas where they're building new homes, and almost every one of those areas, in fact all those areas, had a no trespassing sign. Where prior, when I was doing videos, I did not see no trespassing signs. So they are becoming more diligent. This is the corner of Barr Boulevard and Cheryl Cooper Trail. And there is your video of those homes. And as soon as I can, I will go in there and bring you some video content.